My channel. Today I'm going to be playing Ecsape Santa's Workshop. So let's get started. You'll see me walking. Okay, let's go to the workshop. Walking. Come on. We have to get ready to get ready for Christmas. Okay. So the elf said we had to get ready for Christmas, but now we're just jumping on Christmas decor. I died. Okay. Oh, that dude just okay. Just some. I died. I died again. Where's my body? How my head is still standing? Wait. Okay, over here. We survived. Work or die. Wait, what? Santa's gone mad? We must escape. Oh gosh. We survived again. Okay. We were in the candy making room. Don't fall into the chocolate. It's deadly. Now we have moldy candy cane, it looks like. Hello, gingerbread. How are you doing today? Okay. I'm not sure what this is. It looks like a rotten bagel or something. Now we're probably on a big straw, I think. Now we're on some peppermints. Walking around. Ah! I died sadly. Where am I? You need to find me. Okay. Where do you think you're going? Mwahaha. I'm just going through the door. I guess I can't. Climb out this window. Use me as a boost. Seems like this person just got trapped into an ice cube and gonna probably die from hypothermia. Okay, walking around. And right here. What's in here? Oh, I'm an Ecsape. Now it seems like we're on these triangles that are ice. Now we're going up here. Sorry, but I'm just gonna take a shortcut. Okay, oh gosh, no! Okay, I don't think this obby you die in, unless if you fall into there. Okay, up here. Look at that amazing view. Wow. Step on the buttons to blank, I'm not sure, this to rotate the sleds, and click the green button to go. Bye bye. I'm in ice. Whee! Oh my goodness. Whee! Oh, somebody else came here with their sled. Whoa, look at the size of that snowman. Santa's really gone mad. Me jingle the snowman. Mwahaha. Ah! I'm not tasty. Don't eat me. Well, we got eaten by the giant snowman. I guess there's only one way out. Through the butt. Okay, you're supposed to step on there, but I'm going through here. Okay, now we can speed run. No, I failed. Darkness, my old friend, I come to you again. I died again. Okay, I'm not good at this. Thank you a lot for the wall boost or something. Okay, and go over here. Whoop, whoop. Okay, it's gone this one. Okay, that one. Yes. Yeah, this one. Okay. Whee! Whee! Oh, I died. I'm not good at this. Survive. No. I guess you don't want to listen to me. Why? Finally. Oh, seems like that guy from the other place came back here. Or is that your twin? I'm not sure. I always die once in this obby or thing. Okay, jump over here. Whee! Now we're going for poop. Not my favorite part of this. No! Here's... I don't think poop is that shape. And I died again with my legs separated weirdly. Okay. my goodness. Look at those. Why is there little... How much people have you been eating? There's a lot of bacteria. Now I gotta wipe myself off this snow cube. Okay. Well, that was the survey. Anyways, let's climb up top of this mountain. We should be safe. Yeah, totally. We should be safe. Totally. Yeah. Thought he said we'll be safe. Not safe at all. Okay, and then go here. No. Okay, and I died again. I will never survive. I'm not good. Okay. We're doing this one. Oh gosh. Okay, yay, we finally got it after 55,000 tries. Too glowing. Oh my goodness. We have, I think, made it. We escaped from Santa. Use these paths to try to find the secret badge and have a Merry Christmas. Well, Christmas already passed. Got a secret badge. I want to use maybe blue and purple. The ice path. Oh, that's snow. Here we go. Just gonna walk around here. Okay, here was the 19th Obby thingamajig. Go. Here's Jingle the Snowman. Here's his bottom. We can get eaten again, but I don't want to get eaten again. Oh my gosh, just walk forward. It's not wanting to walk. Why are you not walking? Oh my god. Okay, well, anyways, I hope you liked this video. Subscribe, like, share, and post on all the notifications. Goodbye.